Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for dental tips and appointment booking. So let's suppose I am running a dental clinic and I am receiving many queries and messages on my WhatsApp. I am manually replying to all of the queries and this is consuming a lot of my time. So I am completely going to automate this process, and to do this automation I am going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. With the help of this WhatsApp chatbot, I am instantly going to reply to all the queries sent by my customers. When I create this WhatsApp chatbot and when a user sent me a message, I am instantly going to reply to all the queries sent by them. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for dental tips and appointment booking. For this, I've created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and now we are going to test this WhatsApp chatbot once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp web and I'm going to send some message like, so here I have sent this message and let's wait for the reply. And here I have received this reply. Hello, welcome to Bright Smile Dental Care. Your smile matters to us. How can we assist you today? Please choose an option below. Let's go with this book appointment and it is going to send me some message. Let's go with this view pricing and it is going to send me another message. So this is the message which I have received for the appointment booking. I'm going to open this and from here I can book the appointment for my dental clinic. Then I have received this view pricing. Here I have the pricing, and if I click on any of the buttons, I'm going to receive the next message. And when I click on this dental tips, I'm going to receive some tips. If I click on more tips, I'm able to get some more tips, and if I click on this, I will be able to get some more tips. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for dental tips and appointment booking. For this, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and to visit Pabbly Chatflow, we simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And now after browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And it has taken me towards this Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. Now, if you want to learn how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, you can click on this Add WhatsApp number. You can connect your WhatsApp number, or you can use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp number to this Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, then you can visit the YouTube channel. Now, I have already created my Pabbly Chatflow account, and this is the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So this gives the overview of all the activities, insights, and performance matrix. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. After dashboard, we have this option of inbox. So this is the central place to manage and reply to customer conversation. Next, we have this contacts. So this manage your leads, customers, and their details. Next option we have is of team queues. So this assign and manage incoming chats among team members. We have this option of templates. So this create and manage reusable message templates for campaigns. We have this broadcast. So this sends bulk messages to selected contacts or segments. We have this flow. So this build automated chatbot workflows and conversation sequences. We have this AI assistance. So this use AI tools to auto-generate replies, content, or suggestion. If you want to learn how you can create an AI assistant, then please visit our YouTube channel. Then we have this option of settings. So you can see all the options which we provide in settings. This help you configure account integrations and preferences. We have this option of get help. So this will help you access the support FAQs or contact the help desk. Now let's move towards my app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And now to create a new WhatsApp chatbot, we have to go towards this flows and click on this flows. So let's open this flows, and here I'm landed towards this flow builder. And over here you can see all the total flows, active flows and inactive flows. You can see all the flows which I've created. Now to create a new flow, we simply need to click on this add flow button. Let's open this. And here we are landed towards this page. Now to create a new flow, we have to go through all the buttons and all the options provided on the left hand side. So let's quickly go through all of these buttons. So the first button or the option is of messages, and under messages the first button which we have is of text button. So this button sends a text message along with multiple clickable buttons. We have this media button, so this allows you to send images, videos or GIFs with the message. We have this list, so this shows a list of options instead of buttons. If you want to send a catalog message, you can select this button. If you want to send a single product, you can select this button. If you have multiple or many products, you can select this button. Then we have this template. So this is pre-designed message format that include text, image, buttons and links. Moving on to the next option of actions. Here under actions, the first button which we have is of condition. So this allows you to set logical condition for branching the conversation flow. We have this ask address. So this prompts the user to enter the address and store it in contact field. We have this ask location. So this requests the user's live location. We have this ask question. So this is used to gather user input such as email, phone or feedback. We have this ask media. So this lets the user upload image, video or document. We have this set custom field. So this stores the user input in custom variable for later use. We have this add tag. So this assign a tag to user for segmentation and targeted follow-ups. We have this API request. So this sends or retrieves the data from external APIs to enhance chatbot functionality. And finally, we have this connect flow. So this links the flow to another chatbot flow. Now we are done with understanding of all the buttons and options. Now let's start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. But before we start this chatbot, let's first name this chatbot to WhatsApp chatbot for dental tips and appointment booking. Now let's start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. To create this WhatsApp chatbot, first we have to trigger or activate this chatbot, and to do that we have to enter the keywords and the regex. So here I'm going to enter some commonly used keywords like hello, hey and hi. Hey, press enter, and hi, press enter. You can also add the keywords from your products and services, and then we need to enter this regex. So here regex is like a smart search tool that helps chatbot identify patterns in user messages. Instead of manually listing out every possible keyword, you can define rules to match different variation of words or phrases. Here I'm going to enter the regex like, and we have to make sure that we enter the regex in the same format itself. And then we have this another option of enter regex to match substring trigger enable toggle for case sensitive regex. This is for case sensitivity. I'm going to toggle this on. So by enabling regex, your chatbot can understand more variation of user messages instead of manually listing out every possible keyword. Here I'm done with adding the keywords and the regex, and next, as soon as this chatbot gets activated, I want to send these messages. Now here what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this circle, drag and drop this circle, and then I'm going to select my content type as text plus button. You can select anything according to your choice and preference. I have already explained to you all the content type. I'm going to select this as text plus button because I want to send the message. Now I'm going to write the message as hello, welcome to Bright Smile Dental Care, and then I'm going to add how can we assist you today? Please choose an option. Now over here you might have noticed that here I have added some stars in the end and in the starting of this sentence. Here I have not. Now if I open this WhatsApp message, you can see that I have bold this text this much, and then I have not bold this text. So because of this star only, I was able to bold this text. Here I have entered the star, so this will help me bold the text. And then I'm going to provide the buttons, or I'm going to provide the option. Now if you want to provide many choices, you can simply drag and drop this list button. As I've told you earlier, if you have many options, you can use this list option instead of adding the buttons. As I'm going to provide only 3 buttons or options, I am going to enter my buttons like appointment booking, view pricing and dental tips. Now here I have added the button. If I open my WhatsApp, you can see whenever I clicked on any of the button, the message was sent to me. So we have to follow the same process. I am going to build the connection in such a way that whenever I am going to press on any link, or whenever my customer is going to press on any link, the next message is sent to them. Now, how we are going to do this? For that, we simply need to follow the same process. From the circle, we have to drag this line and we can drop it anywhere, and then we have to select the content type. Now you can also upload the media. If you want to upload the image, video, audio, or the document, you can select your content type as media. You can select your media type, and then by clicking on this cloud, you can upload your media. In this way, your media will be uploaded. Now I'm going to send the message. So I'm going to select content type as text plus button. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to provide a message like, you can now book your appointment at Bright Smile Dental Care online. And then I have provided the booking link and then the rest of the message. Let's suppose we want to bold this. So what we are going to do, we are going to add the star in the start and in the end of this sentence. So this will bold my text. Here I have provided the booking link and they will be able to book their appointment. We can do one more step over here. We can go towards this action and drag and drop this ask question, and then we can ask the question like, please enter your name. Now what's up with this question button? Here I have asked the question, please enter your name, and then I'm going to provide a contact custom field. So as I'm going to ask them the name, I'm going to select my content custom field as the full name, and then I'm going to select the format. Here, as the full name will be in text format, I'm going to select text as the format, and then whenever they're going to enter the name, this will be saved in the contact custom field. I am going to break this connection which I have created, and then I'm going to create the connection between this circle and this circle. Now in this way, when I'm going to ask the question, you will see that they are going to give me the answer, and their answer gets saved in the contact custom field, and then you will be able to send them the personalized message. So on the left hand side where you can see all these options, we have to go towards the settings and then open this contact custom field. Here I have landed towards this contact custom fields, and if I scroll down, you can see all the fields which I have created. I've created the field for this full name. So what I'm going to do, as soon as they're going to answer, it gets saved in this. I'm going to copy this field name, and let's suppose I want to paste that over here in this message. Just for the example, I'm going to paste that contact custom field. Now when they're going to enter the message, their name, let's suppose they enter dummy user as their name, and then the next message will be sent to them, great dummy user, you can now book your appointment, something like this. So this is how this contact custom field and this question button works. Now I'm quickly going to create all the messages and buttons for the rest of the two buttons. So here I've created this chatbot. Now for this book appointment, I have created this question, and then we have sent the appointment link, and then in this view pricing, I have created this message, and then I have provided 3 buttons. Now when they click on any of the buttons, I am going to ask them their question, which is I'm going to ask them their name, and as soon as they give me their name, I am going to send them the appointment link. Now for the last one, dental tips, I have created few tips in which I'm going to send them the tip, and when they click on this more tips, I'm going to send them more tips. When they click on more tips, I'm going to send them more tips. You can also extend your flow, or you can also add more buttons, more messages to this WhatsApp chatbot. Now before we test this WhatsApp chatbot again, we have to make sure that we have toggle on this button to keep this flow active. If we keep this inactive, the messages won't be sent. Also that we have saved this flow. If we do not save the flow, the messages will be lost. So here the flow updated successfully. I'm quickly going to open my WhatsApp, and here I'm going to send this message, and I'm going to wait for the reply. So here I have received the same exact message. The message which we have created, we have received that over here, and you can see the text is bold. Now I'm going to click on this book appointment, and it is going to ask me my name. So I'm going to enter my name, and then I'm going to send this message, and you will see that I'm going to receive the personalized message. Great Srimurthy, you can now book your appointment at Bright Smile Dental Care online. I'm going to open this link, and you will see I am provided with the appointment link. Now I'm going to click on view pricing. So it is going to send me the next message. If I click on cavity filling, then it is going to send me the same message, please enter your name. If I go towards this dental tips, it is going to send me tip. If I click on this more tips, it is going to send me some more tips. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run. Now, if you have any queries, you can drop a comment below this video. And you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbot automation. I hope you liked this video and this video was clear to you. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chat Flow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.